Welcome or welcome back. Ace here again. We're going to do a simple recipe. It's a recipe that we do every once in a while called Apple Crisp Crunch. Our first ingredient is going to be 1/2 cup of butter, and we need 1 cup of brown sugar. Now I think what I'm going to do, get the brown sugar ready and then have it there, but I'm going to cream it first with the mixer. I'm going to start, but I'm not going to have you guys listen to it all the way. So we're back in a minute. As you can see, I got it creamed. Now we're going to get ready to add the brown sugar. This doesn't take very long, but we'll be back in a minute. Okay, now that we got it mixed up, we're going to add our oats, which is 1 cup of rolled oats, but we use 1/2 cup of quick oats and 1 cup of large flake oats. Oops, I'm about to make a mess.
Are you trying to say 1/2 cup of each?
Yes, okay. Thank you, Miss D.
Sorry.
That's okay. Now we need 1/2 cup of flour. So let's go with the flour.
What do we do?
No, we just need 1/2 cup of flour. Now you notice that we're not using grams and whatnot. We have not changed this recipe. Oops. So now we have our recipe. The one thing I like to do is add cinnamon, because everybody knows apple and cinnamon go well together. Now, you just take this here and you crumble it.
Work it together.
Work it together,
okay.
So that way it's turning into a crumble. Now, as I would like to say, you see that we're not using any grams or anything like that. This is a recipe that we haven't switched over yet. But we wanted a simple recipe to show you guys what we do. I know we've been kind of lackadaisy on videos.
Well, the summer got away from us there.
Yeah, the summer got away from us. But we like to get one out every so often. A lot better than what we have been.
Thank you for your patience and for subscribing and sticking around.
Yeah, thank you for your
likes,
patronage. So
that looks great.
Yeah, this is, I gotta say, this is one of the best crumbles I've seen yet. So that's our crumble. Now, we did take a time to pre-cut the apples, and we had them soaking in a bit of lemon water. So we're just draining those off there now. Now, people use different apples. We use whatever one's available or whatnot. We use today, or we are using the the Gala apples. I'll get it out yet. So we're just trying to get most of the water out of here. Perfect. Now we're going to take that and we're going to put it into an 8x8 greased pan. Miss D was good enough to butter for us. And now we just take the crumble and we crumble it over. We've had our oven preheating at 350 degrees. And there we go. That's it. While we're filming
How long are we baking for?
Well, we're going to bake for, my thing, 35 to 45 minutes till golden brown. But yeah, the oven went off while we were filming earlier saying that it was ready to go. So this is going to pop right into the oven and we'll see you in a bit.
Hi everyone, we're back after 35 minutes. The crisp has browned nicely. We're just going to let it cool for 15 minutes and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. So as you can see, I'm cutting the crumble or crisp into squares now, and I'm just going to serve them up onto a little plate to show you what that looks like, and I'll be right back. Okay, let's get the squares onto the plate. We did forget our vanilla ice cream, but we are going to power through and enjoy them anyway. I hope you will give this a try. Thank you. Until next time.